kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. And if you're an oldie boy goodie here, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe again and again. Okay, if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by these little vicinities. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on the channel. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your haters, yes, I repeat, your haters needs a blessing. Okay, and if you like, just subscribe. Okay, point blank and what? Period. But as you can see by the video, we are doing our budget, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so let's talk about this cash money coming from 99 to 2000s. Anyways, what I plan to get paid, which is what I actually got paid, was $1,753.78. my bad, and no additional income during this time. So my total of it all is $1,753, and what do we said? 78 cents. Okay, listen, not gonna waste too much of your time or take up too much of your time. It ain't a waste of budget, sis. But let's get into a little bit of time that you have that you are willing to give me. Thank you. Let's do as we must with it. So our tithes, as you guys know, gets 10%. So we plan to give 176. We round up. Other, not a boom, not a bang. So my total plan for tithes is 176. Because you know what? Give it to the Lord. You know, he been doing for me. This is my little 2 cents, or maybe my 10 that I'm giving back. So it is what it is. Personal opinion. Next, I am doing my car payment, which, man, I did not miss this life. $465. That's how much my car payment is. I did not miss making a car payment. I really didn't. They could have kept it. I would have been fine if they kept it. Merrick, which is my dad, is getting $100 as usual. Credit card, I am putting $100 towards this credit card because we got to pay it off. Okay, whatever additional money that I did not have that I spent, don't judge me. Okay, we got to pay it back. So $100 is going towards my credit card, and then it's $9.99. Because you know what? It's $9.99. And so my expenses total, hold up. My expenses total is $610.64. $10.64. I don't know why I have to repeat myself like that. Like, I'm not the only one here and we recording and talking together. Anyways. Okay, boom, bada bang. All right. Now, we are gonna put for additional in CC payment. I know it don't make no sense that I've credit card over here for $100, but I've CC payment over here for what? 14 cents. Okay, every little bit counts. Don't judge me. Don't laugh. Every little bit counts. Okay, this is why we budget. What I did was all my expenses, then after my tithes, before my cash envelope, sinking funds, or saving challenges, I subtracted my little expenses situation, and I have 14 cents left. And you guys know I don't like cents, so I'll put it towards my credit card. Point blank period. Okay, let's flip it through. All right. So next we are going to my cash envelopes and quarterly challenge. Listen, I am really trying to minimize and see how little I can live on in baby. October monthly budget, wait for it. So anyways, you guys know I always fill out all my cash envelopes, but I plan for groceries is $75. Which I got a little change left. You girls excited. Y'all will see when the cash stopping. Fuel is getting nothing. I don't even know why I wrote it in. Crown is getting nothing. Baby, why do I keep writing these dollars for zeros? Allowance is getting $30. Household is getting $10. Toiletries is getting a 5. Clothing, we still don't like her. Nothing against it. Support a friend, we bought for 2 months, so I think we will be good. YouTube is getting $35. Don't ask for no sneak peek, baby. Don't ask for no sneak peek. Going out is getting nothing. Business is getting $20. And miscellaneous is getting $5, because you know what, we never know what might happen to us. That is for my cash envelopes. Then for my sinking funds, home is getting $20, because you know, there's stuff that still needs to be bought. I still haven't bought my bedspread for my bed, basically. Why not? And baby, those aren't cheap either, so we'll see. My car maintenance is getting $20. Did I say travel is getting $20? Travel is getting $20. Queen's B-Day is not getting anything. Fam's B-Day is getting the $70 that I did not give to it. The $70 that it needs for the month. Christmas, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to do something else, but never mind that, sis. Christmas is getting $70, which is the remainder from that 85, because I only gave it 15. Nothing for Jamaica vacay. Juneteenth gets nothing. Black Friday nothing. Thanksgiving nothing. And Christmas bills is getting $2. We love to see it. Excuse me. So my sinking funds plus my cash envelopes comes out to a total of $382. Okay, $382. That's what we plan to do with all this money. Now my quarterly challenge, what I plan to put in there is $426. And then for my 100 envelope, what is that? For my 100 envelope challenge, I plan to put $159. And so 426 plus 159 is equal to 585. Okay, and let's just add up all these bad boys down here and see what we come up with. Okay, so income planned is $1,753.78. Given, because we give it to the Lord, is $176. Expenses came out to $610. Was that it? $610.64. $610.64. Savings came up to $585. Envelopes came up to $382. Extra debt. What did I put in extra debt? Extra debt came up to 14 cents. And so let's do some quick calculations, you know, for all of it. 1753.78 minus 176. That's a lot. Minus 610.64. Minus 585, minus 382, minus 14 cents. 0, 0. We love to see it. That's what I needed to see, child. So this is my budget for my second paycheck. Read and weep, sis. Read and weep. Good vibes only. Okay, point blank and what? Period. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. That is the end of my paycheck budget. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe. Because again, yo haters, they need blessings. Okay. And my name is AnekeAnnakay, and don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, so keep it real, sis. Okay, and budget. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. That little thing.